Continuing with the settings options, we're looking at advanced setup. In the top left hand corner is the user calibration factor. This should nearly always be set to 1. It is possible to change it away from Unity, but with great caution, and it's going away from the calibration of the Autocollimator, so should only be used by somebody for special applications who knows what they're doing and knows that that factor will not be the same as that produced by UCAS calibration. The invert options literally will turn the data on the screen, in this case -y and +x. If I invert those, it goes to +x and -y, and I can change those independently. Why would I want to do that? Interestingly, we recommend using the invert on the y-axis. There is a section in the handbook, Appendix 6, which explains the convention of the x and y. In the y-axis, on the left-hand diagram, you'll see that the dot will increase as the top of the mirror goes away, because the dot goes positive. But in reality, if the top of the mirror was coming towards the autocollimator, we would say that is a positive slope. In the x-axis, it's conventional, but we would recommend that actually as the dot comes down on the screen, this is termed a positive slope going away from the collimator. Please refer to Appendix 6 for explanation on that. This is the default setting. We can change the rate at which the numeric displays are refreshed. The default is 1, but if you wish to slow that down, you can change that right up to 50, which slows down the refresh of the screen display. The last option here is discrimination. If we're doing automatic measurements, we can discriminate. This is really a noise floor, and we're saying if the data changes by greater than whatever threshold we put in here, we may say 1 second. If it changes more than 1 second, it will not allow that measurement to come in. It may mean that there's a bang of noise, there's vibration or something, and you've set a discrimination which says, no, I won't allow measurements greater than that to come through. So it is a filter, should be used cautiously, but it can be a very, very helpful tool when in a vibration-prone environment. That is all of the options on advanced setups. Again, we can set defaults. The second one here sets defaults in all of the measurement modes, not just this one, but the setup and the measurement mode, all as opposed to local.